How to earn money with delivery apps. In today's world, the on-demand delivery apps have replaced the traditional way of doing business. From booking a taxi to shopping online to getting essentials such as grocery, medicine, parcels and your favorite foods delivered at your doorstep, the on-demand delivery apps have become an irreplaceable part of everyone living in the digital era. Did you know? Downloads of grocery delivery apps like Instacart, Walmart Grocery, and Shipt increased by 218%, 160%, and 124% respectively. In the US alone, online food and drink app installs surpassed 400 million in 2020. Likewise, all the on-demand delivery industry verticals like pharmacy delivery, courier delivery, laundry delivery, etc. witnessed huge increase in their net worth and number of app downloads. Here are the latest updates on leading on-demand delivery apps' net revenue. But, do you know how these delivery apps make money? Let's understand the revenue generation model of on-demand delivery apps. In case any business doesn't have its own fleet of drivers, these delivery apps take care of the same by providing delivery agents who can deliver the received orders to the customer's doorstep. Advertising and marketing. Delivery apps can charge an advertising fee for displaying banners, discounts, and offers given by the registered businesses to promote on their app and website. In return, they provide increased customers and daily orders to boost their sales. Commission charges. Charging a percentage of the total order amount is the major source of revenue for delivery apps. The apps collaborate with business owners on predefined commission rates based on the order size. Also, the size of the commission may vary depending on the business level, its average revenue, and other factors. Membership and subscription plans. Delivery apps can offer different membership, subscription plans on a monthly or yearly basis and earn revenue from the same. These plans are beneficial for both customers and business owners and are a good revenue source for the apps, of course. These delivery apps charge an additional fee known as delivery surcharge during peak hours. For example, they can limit menus and locations and charge an extra fee to make the services available. Besides these, delivery apps can also make money through third-party advertising, allowing businesses list their services on their platform, web and app, charging extra delivery charges for fast delivery and bad weather conditions, app homepage advertising. So, if you are a business owner who is looking forward to expand your business, it's high time to create your own branded delivery app now.